This is a quick update to correct an error in video number 38. In that tutorial I said that we were not able to change the order of the blocks shown in a train route because there is no move up or move down button over here. The way you can change the order is by selecting the particular block and then changing it from the selection here. So we can transfer 13 to 14 by clicking on 14 and then clicking on the second step or the second block and changing that to 13. So now we have in fact changed the order. And of course, to save those changes, we then just click the apply button. So that's a nice correction. Thanks for watching.